Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start immediately by opening the highest quality file because detail matters. Once open, duplicate your background and make a merged copy so you can work non-destructively. Then, use a small spot healing brush with sample set to all layers and content aware turned on. Paint the thin light lines once or twice to see if they vanish. You're doing this to preserve texture. If the area is complex, stop here and prepare a secondary approach before oversmoothing important detail. Once small fixes fail, you move to advanced repairs. Create a new layer and use clone stamp with sample set to current and below, cloning from clean nearby skin or background to rebuild form. If the line crosses texture, apply frequency separation to treat tone on the low layer and texture on the high layer. This lets you erase the streak without destroying pores or grain. Make sure to blend at low opacity and sample often, because subtle changes keep results natural. To finish, make a merged visible copy and inspect at 100%. Once done, use a tiny Gaussian blur of about 0.5 to 1 px on problem fixes if they look too crisp, then correct global contrast with curves or levels to match surrounding tones. Finally, reintroduce texture with careful sharpening. If something looks wrong, reduce the repair layer opacity, undo the last steps, or reclone with a smaller brush and new source. This is the single most.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.